Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're making carrot oil. This oil is great for your skin, hair and even your food. We're going to be making carrot oil in two different ways. Let's get straight into the video. I'm going to use 2 large carrots for this. These are well washed. I'll start by scraping my carrots. I'll use a potato peeler for this. Scraping is quite necessary to help take out small dirt that wasn't well washed. After peeling, I'll use a grater to grate my carrot. I'll use the small size to grate it. After grating, I'll go ahead and measure 1 cup of my grated carrot. I'm using 1 cup because I said at the beginning that I was going to show you 2 methods of making carrot oil. So this one will be used for the second method. I'll just keep this aside. Don't skip any part of this video. I'll show you the difference between the first method and the second method at the end of this video. I'll go ahead and transfer my remaining grated carrot into a wide tray. I'll spread it out really well so that it will dry quickly. Yep, we're drying this. I'm going to dry this in the sun till it's properly dry. It might take a day or 2. My carrots are all properly dried and it's actually took just a day. It was a very sunny day. You'll need to make sure your carrots all dry for this method. If it's not well dried, your carrot oil might go bad really quickly and we actually don't want that. Some people go ahead and transfer this directly into a jar and add oil and cover it for about 2 to 3 weeks or even a month. That's actually a very good method, but we're not doing that. I'm going to blend this. Blending this will be a faster method for us to get our carrot oil. Just watch guys. I'll go ahead and add my well-dried grated carrots into my blender and blend this till very smooth. You're going to blend till you get this smooth carrot powder, just like this. I'm going to transfer my carrot powder into this container. I'll then go ahead and add my oil. I'm using 100% pure coconut oil for this. You can use any oil of choice, any oil that works for you. I'm using coconut oil because I love it and it's good on my skin and on my hair. I'll go ahead and cover and give it a very good shake. I'll shake properly till the carrot powder is all dissolved in the oil. Do you see the instant change? Like, look at the color of this. Just look at our oil. I assure you that if I didn't blend this, I won't get this rich orange color so quickly. I'll cover and leave it to soak in its oil for 2 days. It's been 2 days now and look at that rich orange color. I'm going to use a cheesecloth to sieve the oil. Make sure everything gets in there. Well, this is the remaining one from the hand I used to squeeze it. I'll just rub this on my hands, won't let it go to waste. I love carrot oil. Look at our rich homemade carrot oil with no nonsense added. This is better than the store-bought one. For me, this is the best method of making carrot oil. I'm going to compare this with the second method. Let's do the second method, guys. In a pan, I'll add in my 1 cup of grated carrots, the one I measured earlier. I'll measure 1 cup of coconut oil and add it in and start cooking, or is it frying, on very low heat till it starts to change its color. It's actually changing its color already. You're going to do this till your carrot has started to fry. Then you take out from heat. You need to be careful in this process. I got distracted for a bit and it got burnt. Please don't be like me. You need to keep an eye on this. You need to watch this properly because when it starts to get like really fried. It just happens really fast. So after that, I let it cool down, and it even got more burnt in the process of cooling down. Do not leave unattended because it might just get burnt. So I strained it like that, and I used a cheesecloth to strain properly. Guys, our carrot oil is ready. Perfect carrot oil. This oil is so good. You can add to your meals, use on your skin and even your hair. Let me show you the difference between the first and second method. Guys, look, the difference is clear. Not that the second method is not good. No, it's actually a very great method, but the first one, to me, I feel is the best method. Thanks for watching. Bye.